check out the EGO cordless trimmer with the battery. What I love about this is it's so easy to use. I'm about 5'4", 130 pounds, and even I can use it. Now it's super easy to put together. All you've got to do is slide your battery pack on and push it in. Just like that, we're good to go. This is lightweight, even I can use it. On the grip right here, we have the safety. So all you've got to do is push that in, and it starts just like that. Here on the front, we've got a low speed and a high speed. So here's the high speed. And here's what it sounds like on low. So here we are on low, and I'm just gonna One of my favorite things about this is it's cordless, but it's lightweight, and so I am able to do yard work alongside with my husband. So in the box, you're not only going to get the trimmer, but you're also going to get the battery and the charger. It all comes together, and so this has been a great addition to the tools that we're going to use this summer. I hope you found the review helpful.